Hey guys, I got some requests to do more hot chocolate bomb flavors, so today I will be doing banana foster. Please continue to comment, ask questions, send requests. I love it. So let's start by melting 6 squares of almond bark. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the banana cream jello packet flavor. And you can adjust how much of this you add depending on how strong you want the banana flavor. The bark will look a little grainy, but it isn't going to mess up the end result. Another flavoring option is to use Loran banana oil. Next, I'm filling the molds with bark all the way to the top. I'm tapping the mold to move the bark all around and dumping the bark back into the bowl. I'm going to put these in the freezer for 3 to 5 minutes and then add a second coat and freeze again. Now they are ready to pop out and fill. I'm using 1 tablespoon of white cocoa, a dash of cinnamon, some marshmallows, and a little brown sugar. I'm using my candle warmer to melt one side of my bomb so I can attach them together. Last, drizzle a little bark and top with a dash of cinnamon and brown sugar. This is my favorite flavor so far. Let me know if you try it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye!